Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be 5 tips for keeping your house clean. And if you can hear everything, I'm sorry, the window is open. And before I jump in, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below if you've not done so already. Okay, so 5 tips to keep your house clean. My first tip is to pick up and clean as you go. And this is huge for me because I'm one of those people that I like to clean after I do everything. That way if I put something away and I need it again, I don't have to go dig it out. So learning to clean as I go is huge. And I'm getting better at it. Okay, the second tip is have a cleaning routine. And I have my daily routine, my morning routine, and my night routine. And my daily routine and my morning routine are basically the same thing. And I have uploaded videos on all those cleaning routines recently on my channel, so I will link them in this video somewhere. Okay, my third tip is have a catch-all. And this could be a basket or a bin or anything. And I have a basket in my room that I call a catch-all, and then there's the counter in the kitchen that is horrible that catches almost everything from mail to food to anything that we just don't feel like putting away at the time goes there. And I try and clean it. My mom tries and cleans it. It just doesn't stay clean between my brother and my dad. And then, of course, we have a cat tree as you walk right up the stairs. And my brother uses that as his catch-all. So his mail and his school stuff and everything lands on that. Which is horrible because he goes to school in Ohio. So when he comes home, he throws it all on there. Okay, and my third thing is have a system in place that everyone can use. And this is really hard to do for me because everyone in my family has a different organizing style. Like, if it was up to me, the towels in the bathroom in the linen closet would be in a basket and they'd be labeled instead of just folded on a shelf. But that doesn't work for everyone. If you gotta go put it away or go get it out, it needs to be easier for everyone in this house. And my brother's not gonna find the time to dig through a basket. So yeah. Okay. And the fifth thing is don't let things get out of control. And I'm guilty of this. I think we all are to a point. We get busy. We just kind of let it slide. I'm huge on this in my room because I try to clean my room every week, and there will just be weeks that I'm way too busy to do it, or I just don't feel like doing it, so it just doesn't get done. And I will go 2-3 weeks at a time without cleaning my room, or until I realize that there's cat fur and my hair all over the floor, and that is disgusting. But that's usually how it turns out. We don't clean until it's completely out of control, because it's just how it works. And it's really bad during the school year, which is weird because nobody in this house goes to school anymore. My brother goes to college and he lives in a dorm at the college, but yet somehow this house still gets overrun with dirt and everything because we just let everything get out of control because we get busy. Okay, so those are my 5 tips. I have 5 more. If you want to see that video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And other than that, if you have not subscribed, please do so by clicking the red button below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.